Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve your crypto market analysis with TradingView. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the TradingView website. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the home page. Look for the chart section, which is central to your analysis. Click on the chart button at the top of the screen. A new chart will load, featuring a default asset. To change the asset, type the cryptocurrency's ticker symbol into the search bar. Select the desired cryptocurrency from the drop-down list. Explore various chart types available in the top bar. Choose between line, candlestick, and bar charts based on your preference. Adjust the time frame using the options above the chart. Popular choices include 1 minute, 1 hour, and daily. Next, open the Indicators menu located at the top of the chart. Browse through the extensive library of indicators available. Consider adding moving averages to identify trends. To add an indicator, simply click on it. Observe how it displays on the chart for better market insights. Utilize drawing tools on the left side of the chart. These tools can help mark support and resistance levels. Experiment with trend lines, horizontal lines, and Fibonacci retracements. Make notes of key price action points that you identify. To save your chart settings, click on the Save icon at the top right. Label your chart clearly for easy reference later. Keep an eye on the news feed integrated within TradingView. Staying informed about market news will enhance your analysis. Use the Alerts feature to set notifications for critical price movements. This will allow you to act quickly on market changes. Join the TradingView community forums for additional insights and strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.